Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and you are looking at my June giveaway, my Hat Not Hate giveaway. It was all blue, and I was so excited to talk about what a great cause for anti-bullying, and it seemed like a lot of you really got on board with that messaging, and I just really appreciate you guys, all of your compassion and just the great comments. You guys really reminded me just how widespread bullying is. It's tragic, but thankfully we have organizations like Hat Not Hate to help combat that. So I am going over to the YouTube random comment picker. This is completely random. I entered the YouTube video URL. Okay, so this is the URL for that video. I filtered out duplicate users, just one entry per person, and I filtered comments based on a specific text, hat, okay? I asked people who wanted to enter to use the word hat in their comment. I also excluded myself because I know that I commented back. I don't think that I used that keyword, but just in case, I wanted to make sure that I would not come up as a winner. That would be embarrassing. And here it looks like I need to answer this question to make sure that I am not a robot. 9 plus 8 is 17. Hopefully I got that right. Alright, I'm gonna get YouTube comments, see how many of you guys entered to win. So we have 432 people who entered to win this amazing giveaway. That's really exciting. There's going to be just one winner, but no worries, okay? If you are not the winner, just know I have several giveaways going on right now. I have my mid-month giveaway right now, and I also have one just for the people in the United States to get out some 4th of July packages, okay? So, I am going to start the raffle, and this is going to pick a random winner, okay? You guys ready? Alright, here we go. And the winner is Cassandra Phillip. My reintroduction to crocheting with a hat. Reintroduction. It was blue and black for my youngest daughter. She loves it, although I had a few errors on it, and we are our own worst critics. Boy, don't I know it. And as always, Cassie, amazing giveaway. So, Cassandra, congratulations for winning. What I need for you to do is send me an email. You can find my email address either in the description, you just have to click more to see that, or you can scroll down to the first comment on this video. I always pin a comment with my email address in there so that you know how to contact me. Just need a mailing address where you can receive mail, and I will get that out to you as soon as possible. My email address is nichecraftwithcassie@gmail.com, but again, you can always just check that comment just to make sure that you are spelling it correctly. Everybody else, please congratulate Cassandra. So excited to get this out to her, and no worries, we have so many other giveaways going on right now. Just keep entering and you just might win. My channel's still relatively small, so you have a relatively large chance of winning. See you soon in another video. Bye-bye!